Gaming family here once again. Today let's talk about how we can turn 0 Robux into countless Robux in Roblox. So let's begin. Head over to your browser, visit the Roblox website, go to the Roblox homepage, and then click on Buy Robux, and then scroll down to Languages and select the unsupported language at the bottom. Everything should be in English. After that, select how much Robux you want, click Add Star Code, and type in Flamingo. Next, edit the URL to roblox.com/redeem and go to the promo code section. Now enter this and keep hitting redeem until the text changes to an unexpected error. And just wait that your Roblox will change. It may take a few minutes, and there you go. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.